In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Myfxbook Advanced Statistics. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find these insights and how to read them so they actually inform your trading decisions. First, sign into your Myfxbook account as you normally do. Once you're in, head to your portfolio and open the system page for the trading account you've connected. If you manage more than one account, choose the one you want to analyze so the statistics you're about to see reflect that specific performance. On the system page, scroll down through the main stats until you reach the section labeled Advanced Statistics. It sits below the headline numbers and charts and brings together deeper metrics that go beyond simple gains and losses. Give the page a moment to load if your account has a long history. Myfxbook crunches quite a bit of data here. You'll see metrics like expectancy, standard deviation, and z-score. Expectancy tells you the average amount you can expect to win or lose per trade over time, blending your win rate with the size of your wins and losses. Positive expectancy suggests your approach is profitable in the long run. Negative expectancy is a prompt to review risk, entries, or exits. Standard deviation measures how spread out your results are. A higher value means your trade outcomes vary widely, which can signal a more volatile strategy or inconsistent execution, while a lower value points to steadier results. Z-score examines the sequence of wins and losses to test whether your outcomes are random or if they tend to cluster. A significant z-score hints that wins or losses may come in streaks, which is useful context when you're evaluating position sizing and psychological readiness. If you come across a metric you don't recognize, hover your mouse over the small info icon or click the tooltip next to it for a quick definition. On touch devices, a tap will bring up the same explanation. These built-in notes are concise and aligned with how Myfxbook calculates each value, so they're perfect for confirming you're interpreting the numbers correctly. Take a moment to read each metric, think about what it implies for your strategy, and consider how the numbers relate to your recent performance. You don't need to memorize formulas. The power here is in understanding the story the data is telling. That's it. Log in, open your connected accounts system page, scroll to Advanced Statistics, review the metrics, and use the tooltips whenever you need clarity. With a few minutes of focused attention, these numbers become a practical guide to refining your trading approach.